Hello, my friends. Here's the finished painting of the video you're about to watch, and my husband is mowing the lawn. Anyway, it's difficult to photograph because it's got silver in it, so it, the look changes a lot. I have not yet varnished it, but some of the areas I'm just really taken with. Let me bring you down and show you. I think that is so pretty right there. I don't know what you would call that, striations or something, but it just kind of reminds me of mother of pearl. Look at that. I'm really quite happy with this one. I think it's subtle, but I think it'll make a lovely background for something. I haven't decided what yet, but there it is. And now let's get to the video. Hello, my friends. I just started to fill this cup, and I didn't have it on record, but I'm just using gold, silver, white, and the little green mixture I came up with. And working on a, what is this, 11 by 14 inch canvas, I think. This is a 9-ounce cup. I'll fill it up, and that should be plenty. I'm using a Floetrol polycrylic glue and water mix for the pouring medium. I'll write it down below in the description if you'd like to give it a try, depending on the outcome. The blue and green mix is just Floetrol. It was something I had laying around. I just thought I'd throw it in for contrast, but because I don't think it'll be a problem because it has Floetrol in it, and the other mix has Floetrol in it, and the green is just Floetrol. Oh, I put gold and silver next to each other. I didn't really mean to do that. And what else? Let's see, any more of this? Yeah, not enough to worry about. Okay, let's fill her up. Okay, now the question is, what kind of a pour? I don't have any silicone in there, so I don't want to do a flip cup. Ring pour, straight pour, ribbon pour. What to do? Well, probably a combination of almost all the above. There we go. Straight, ring, bit of a jiggle. Oh, that green is kind of pretty in there. Up high, down low. Try to rotate. Ooh, okay. Well, It's not terribly attractive at this point. But the silver never looks that good just right away. When it's wet, it just looks gray. And the gold, this isn't the most beautiful gold, it's just that Artist Loft Floetrol. Let's see if anything happens with the, oh, the torch, my torch is about out of juice. It's a flame, but it's not making that wonderful whoosh sound. Okay. All right, let's just move it around, see what we get. It's not very exciting, but it might make a good background for something. The ugly pores tend to make the best backgrounds because they don't distract from the whatever you embellish with. I'm not saying that it's necessarily ugly, but there's not a lot of contrast in it, and I think that really brings a beauty to a piece when you can get a contrast in values, you know, darks and lights. It's kind of neat up here, though. I don't want to point at it like I've done before and drip on there. I added an extra light in here. I hope that's not a problem. I hope I can certainly see better, but might be a bit of a more of a glare for you, the viewer. I don't know. I really like, find a clean finger. I really like this effect right here. Bring that up and show you. Doesn't that look cool? I like that a lot. I think when it dries, it's going to be quite beautiful. Stretch this, I think, out a bit more over here. And then pull it back. That white area there is not appealing to me. I'm going to run most of that off. Goodbye. And now pull it back. Oh, wow. It's very different. Kind of very muted looking. I like it a lot. And I don't say that a lot about my pores. I often say they're interesting, but I don't gush about them very often. But this one, I'm going to have to bring the camera down so you can really look at it. Again, keeping in mind that it's wet. When it dries, I think it's going to be quite stunning. Okay, let me take my gloves off and take you down for a closer look. And here we are. I love that effect in there. It looks purple here to my eye, but it's silver. It looks different in through the camera. I really like that. Yeah. Let's turn it, see if I can turn the camera this way so you can see the whole thing. It probably didn't work for the video. So yeah, while I have you, I want to show you the one from the other day, the last video I did. That's all dry. Similar lines to it and all, and it dried really well. I'm very happy with it. A few people wanted to know how that looked. So there's that one. And today's much more muted in color, but I think it's got good possibilities. So there you have it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye now.